Broadcasting from Ventus, Kuwait. This is the Me and Larry reality video show. LTL editorial news for February 26th out here in Ventus, Kuwait. So right now, I think it's early in the morning in South America. The late breaking news story. I told you LTL was saying about Haiti, about their earthquake and their magnitude of 7.0, and I said the next one will be either going across from the west to either the United States or further down into South America. I told you, you can bank on it, because guess what? Here's a 8.5 earthquake rattled Chile. That's over in where Santo Domingo is at. Santigo, that is. Santigo, 8.5 earthquake. Powerful earthquake. As we see from up here, you can tell about the earth crust, or how it's tremor, and see how it went. When it can go as far as south here, you can sense how the earth is structuring. It is no joke. I called it like I said it, that the next earthquake will be either in that area, either closer to the United States or in South America. Called it. I keep you posted, as well as other news media that will keep you posted. Thank you.